Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this first method guys, you have to come www.gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download Gigabyte any devices driver. So in this here you can see this is search button, and on click on that and just right click to enter your model number which is you require the device B850M focus force, and then hit enter. Click on product and click on title of model number motherboard. So this is your motherboard. Just click on the support. So guys, select your operating system which is you require Windows 10 and 11. So if any, I am making video on Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this video and install the driver because the installations process is same. So first, audio driver, you can see here size and just click to download. After click to download, it will start downloading. In see here, wait few seconds. It's totally depend on your internet speed. If you are using good internet, so you can download the driver easily. So it is completed, just then click to open. So this is exe of your driver. So if you have to install smoothly, so you can extract and then try to install, otherwise you can just double click on this setup. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting driver to your system and then installing. Now this is installing driver. So it is back installing in the background. You just wait few seconds, it will close automatically. So it will close automatically. Okay, then close, it is done.